General Motors Flint Assembly plant has been operating for 80 years, and it's the automaker's longest operating site in North America. And while it's pushed a vast quantity of vehicles off its lines in that time, you might not believe just how big that number is. GM announced this month that Flint has just produced its 16 millionth vehicle. This milestone achievement took the form of a Lakeshore Blue Metallic Chevrolet Silverado 2500 Crew Cab LTZ, a heavy-duty truck that rolled off the assembly line to a cheering crowd of Flint workers, along with its new owner. Andy Sanford was reportedly on site for the final process and even sat in the passenger seat of his new pickup as it crossed the final assembly line. Sanford is said to be replacing a 2016 Silverado HD with a Duramax diesel that is near the 1,000,000-mile mark on its original injectors. Sanford described the experience as like getting a backstage pass to a special moment, adding that seeing his own Chevy put through the paces was surreal. In a press release announcing the achievement, GM also noted the unique history of Flint Assembly, a factory that, before it produced pickups, was responsible for some iconic vehicles like Chevy's Corvette, Bel Air, Monte Carlo, and Impala. As for trucks, GM says Flint has produced some of the most iconic in Chevrolet history, including Chevrolet Advanced Design trucks, which were the first vehicles to be produced at the site, as well as the CK Series and the Silverado and Sierra HDs. According to Flint Assembly Plant Executive Director Theo Laverne, the 16 millionth vehicle is a symbol of the thousands of operations, teamwork, and attention to quality employees take pride in every day to keep us at the top of our game. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.